If you guys don't know what this is the REON or REON Pocket. This is a portable air conditioner and heater. Yeah, it's that small. You are not being duped, and this is not an early April Fool's joke. Thank you, Sony, for sending us this sample of the REON Pocket. They sent us an email after we finished the MP3 player, aka the AW306, something like that. I can't quite remember the moniker, but it was a digital audio player. This is a portable air conditioner. My goodness. Alright, well, let's see. You know, Sony's got some cool stuff, some weird stuff. We all know the HUIS remote, and they are really the only people with a curved e-ink smartwatch to this date. There really is none. I mean, the Smartband 2 Talk is literally the only one, and they're the only guys making really high profile and high quality DAPs, digital audio players. They make ones for $200, $400, $1,300. So what's in here? Now, it does have a suggestion that you can buy a shirt, which I never understood reading the promotional information and watching the promotional videos. You're trying to get cold. Okay, it maybe makes sense in the heating application, but if you're trying to cool down, why would I wear an extra shirt under my shirt? It just doesn't make any sense, because you wear that as an undershirt, but it's a full-blown shirt. So I suppose if you want to wear a collared shirt with that shirt underneath, you could. Anyways, there is an app that commands all of this fun stuff, the REON Pocket. This is the start guide, tells you what everything is, LED, the vents and all that. You have to keep the vents completely clear. If this is what it says it is, this is some crazy stuff, everybody. This is fully made in Japan, and it runs off USB-C. It's got a button on the side, and it has a panel here that actually makes the contact. Now, much unlike an actual AC, which can be the size of a microwave, this doesn't use actual air to blow on you. It heats up this pad, and apparently it can get up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, so anything short of burning you, I guess, but we'll have to see when we get into the full review. Let's just look at it real quick. You have some vents right there, looks like some sort of heat sink, and you have some vents here, all of which the REON Pocket accommodates. We won't be doing the shirt, although we have asked them if they can send us one of those neck lanyard things for the review, so I can at least put it on. But for now, I'll just like tap it to my skin, I suppose. And other than that, you have a matte finish body, a kind of a ceramic feeling pad here. It almost has a little bit of bounce back, like a super hard piece of rubber almost. I'm not entirely sure what kind of material that is. And you have a little hole there. I'm not sure what that's for. It might say in the quick start guide, and it does not. Okay, actually, why is that there? And it can't be for any sort of venting purposes because it's very small. It's the size of a pinhole. And you have a piano finish right there, mostly for when it goes into the shirt. It's nice and smooth. You have USB and a button there that turns it off and on. We won't be turning it on now because this is an unboxing video and we don't have everything prepped on the application. You also get a USB cable for charging purposes and a warranty guide right there. Guys, what the heck? A portable air conditioner the size of, well, the size of a mouse. It even kind of looks like a mouse. In almost every possible way, it looks like a mouse. This is smaller than an average mouse, and it's supposed to heat you up and cool you down in the respective manner in which you want it. In the winter, you put this on and it's hot. In the summer, you put it on and it's cold. We assume. This is everything comes in the box with the Sony REON or REON Pocket RNP 1A portable, I guess, air conditioner or heater. Stay tuned for the full review.